Hey, I'm Jackie and I create makeup and hair tutorials on my own YouTube channel. You can find me under Jackie Wyers, and I'm so excited to be here on the Aveda channel to show you guys this look. So I'm at a hotel right now and I go to a lot of events, and this is one of my go-to styles. So I'm going to show you how to get these big waves with a subtle accent braid paired with a red lip using my favorite Aveda products. And if you're new to the Aveda YouTube channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss any hair tips. And if you're ever curious about any of the products used and you want more information, check the link down below to aveda.com, and of course, you can always shop in Aveda salons. I mentioned this in my beachy hair tutorial that I created as well, but if you missed that video, I did just get a hair color shine treatment to help liven up my past color. This shine treatment is a new demi-permanent 93% naturally derived hair color providing instant condition and shine. I noticed right away how much it had improved the condition of my damaged hair. They do have an option that you can get a clear gloss, or you can get a color refresh with a tint like I did. In the summer, my hair gets a little bit brassy. The sun brings out some of those orange tones, so I got a tint to cool that down, as you can see in my before and after photo. Again, I will have a link down below if you want to learn more about this salon treatment, and another reason I love it is the short processing time, so you can go in, get it done, it'll process for 20 minutes, and then it lasts up to 6 weeks.
I washed my hair yesterday and let it air dry, so sometimes to quickly add volume to my fine hair, I'll dampen the first layer and add the Volumizing Tonic right to the roots to blow dry upwards to create maximum volume. This product contains certified organic aloe and wheat amino acids to help build body and add shine. One of my all-time fave products from Aveda is the Shampure Dry Shampoo. I use this a ton on second day hair, and it has naturally derived powders that absorb excess oil and impurities. And now for the big waves. I like to start with the top layer of hair, curling and pinning into place. I like to start at the top layer because by the time I get to the bottom, I'm more lazy, so I want the top curls to be the most thorough and have the most cooling time. My fave way to curl my hair is away from the face on either side, and on the bottom layer, I just curl, add some Aveda Air Control and bursts upwards to help keep the big waves instead of pinning them up. Take a section from behind your ear, and if you have thinner hair, you don't want the section to be too big or you'll have a gap in your hair, so tease the strands larger before creating a simple braid. I personally like the roughed up tease look to the braid because it makes it a little bit more bohemian, but you can always go with a sleek braid. And same thing on the other side, but this time I tried out a fishtail braid. You can have fun with whatever your favorite type of braid is, or even do a twist. And now, taking down the curls, we got lots more body. Just cross the braids over the head, pinning in place. And this glam look calls for a red lip, but finding the right red can be a little bit tricky with all the options out there. Aveda's made it super simple with a guide for your coloring, so I've chosen shades to match my warm toned brown hair. The color treatment cooled down the brassy tones in my hair, but overall there is still quite a bit of warmth to my hair color, so the red in the Aveda guide is going to be more warm toned as well. Start by applying the Feed My Lips Pure Nourish-Mint Lip Primer to prime and smooth. And lip liner to shape the lips. This is the new Feed My Lips Pure Nourish-Mint Lip Liner in the shade 07 Pomegranate. And finally, this new collection features 23 long-wearing lipsticks and a satin finish. I have 2 shades to show you, so vote in the poll or in the comments if you prefer this vibrant red or deeper red to complete the style. You really can't go wrong with a classic red lip.
Look, thanks so much for watching, and if you try out the style, let me know how it goes. I'd love to see your recreations. You can always tag me in your photos if you try it out, and if you missed my latest tutorial where I did a beachy side braid with a nude lip, take a watch. And if you love Aveda as much as I do, then be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all of Aveda's beauty tips, tricks, and products. And I'll see you guys in my next video.